Welcome to the WorkStudy Plus 6 installation tutorial. Today we're going to cover the basics of how to get the software installed, specifically the Excel add-in. So the file that you see here on the screen would have been downloaded from the web, and you would have been given this information by your representative. So I will run the file, and as we're running this install, it is important to note that you do need to have full administrative privileges for the software to update properly. So we will go through and hit next on all the screens until we get to the installation option, which we'll click on now. And we will then eventually get to a screen where it says finish, and I will uncheck the README file. This shows you the latest notes and news, and I'm going to choose not to display it right now. So now what we're going to do is we're going to open up Excel. With the Excel open, you can see that there is a WorkStudy Plus add-in showing now. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is license the software. So I will click on the license keys option here, and I'm going to replace this with the license key that will activate the software. You will be sent this license key, and if you're doing a trial, you'll be given a trial license key, and if you've purchased the software, you'll be given a purchase license key. I should point out that if you're planning to import data from multiple devices at the same time onto one Excel installation, you will need to have a second, third, and fourth. So in other words, I would go down here and put the different license keys in, and then when I say OK and I go to import, it will allow me to import from as many devices as I have licensed. So we're going to go over the basic menu functions here, not in exhaustive detail, but just to give you an idea of what can be done now that you've installed the Excel add-in. First thing, import study data. This allows you to pull data in from your device, data that's been collected, and then you can start doing your analysis. Generating statistical reports allows you to display the data in different reporting options that we have built into the software. The element editor allows you to open up an interface to create templates on the Excel interface, and the element sheet and the element editor work together, and once you've created your templates, you can then export them. So the custom field sheet allows you to create custom fields, so they'd be used for collecting additional data outside of the elements. The import study configuration allows you to take a study that you've previously created on the device software and import just the elements to create an Excel-based template that you can then edit and send back out to use when doing future studies. Export study configuration option allows you to take a study that you've created or a template you've created in Excel and send it out to the device. You would be saving it and then choosing one of the export options, be it email or manually copying or something such as Dropbox. And then license key we've already covered, activating the software. If you need additional help getting the software installed and set up, you can reach out to your Quetech representative, or you can go to quetech.com and fill in a support request.